We have Megan the Canadian with us, reunited after like a year and a half. So we're going to, where are we going? Daintree Forest Lane?
Daintree Rainforest. Oldest rainforest in the world.
Over 135 million years old, older than the Amazon. We're all jumpy from stuff falling from the trees. It's a combination of plants that sting, insects that sting, snakes that are poisonous, frogs that are poisonous. And if you want to try eating the fruit, there's an 80% chance that it's toxic to humans. Alright, so we are here at the Turtle Rock Cafe, about to get some lunch-ski because we are hungry. Driving up here, we drove past heaps of resorts and hotels and accommodation. It's the oldest rainforest on planet Earth, but it's also very catered to tourists as well, especially when you can find ice cream in the world's oldest rainforest. I'm sorry. I find that hilarious. I get a kick out of that. Okay, hungry, so hungry. Let's grab some food.
Like, oh, please don't shoot up again. Please.
Ling's freaking out because there was a cockroach in the sink.
It came out of nowhere, okay?
But is it dead? Is it still there?
Yeah. Sorry, Megan.
Beef burger? Beautiful. Look at that delicious meaty burger.
It wasn't a very big
homeless.
one. But there was like maybe, you know, and it's fine now, but during winter, like.
Now we're gonna work off those delicious burgers we just had and do a walk. Okay. Maybe we could lure out some cassowaries for this. This bush walk was just a walk to the parking lot. And look, there's the parking lot. We're walking towards the mangroves, and then you see this lovely warning to be crocwise.
I wish that they put a sign, like what date did they put up this sign? Because for all you know, this is from like 6 months ago.
Can you outrun a crocodile? Like if I just sprint?
They're pretty fast though. And I think part of their method is surprise, right? Or... They
remember your routines. Like I've heard stories of a crocodile that knew this guy would always go to this part of the water like every morning at 10 a.m. or something. So the crocodile just would wait for him to show up.
And they'll look for like a sign of weakness as well. So say if somebody's like limping one day, cougars are like this.
They'll attack people that are limping. Yeah. What are those called again? The Odysseus? Ulysses butterfly? I'm so on edge.
Me too. Yeah, we also. I didn't need to go. I'm okay. Yeah.
Is that the consensus?
That you're with us. It's like you don't want to be with someone who's like, oh, come on, let's go.
Like this isn't.
The 3 Canadians are so scared to do anything.
All right, that's the end of that.
Guys, good walk.
So this beach that we're walking to now is on this cape called Cape Tribulation. James Cook named it that after he damaged his ship on some reef. But doesn't that sound like what an English person would say? Like something bad would happen to them on their trip, and they would just instantly label it. Like never mind the beauty, they're just like, nope, I damaged my ship. This is gonna be called Cape Tribulation.
Or like Poverty Bay in New Zealand.
Yeah.
Like, oh, the natives didn't want to share with us.
Oh, this is always a promising site here. Vinegar. When you see vinegar, it's not for your fish and chips. It's for the jellyfish. That's blue vinegar?
Yeah, so you don't put it on your fish and chips.
We're following the tour guide now because he mentioned a stinging bush, so we want to know what bush to avoid. And then after he's going to take them for some ice cream.
Which we plan on going to anyway.
Was going to be our next stop anyway.
We wanted to see what the stinging bush was.
Toilet. Next to the toilet.
Oh, there's
really?
a bunch there? Those are the heart-shaped ones?
Heart-shaped left, jagged edge.
Okay.
Is it a bush or like a vine?
It's a bush.
It's a bush.
So if you're walking... Oh, there's a wolf spider. Pretty cool wolf spider here, guys. So if you're walking up to the toilets, straight in front of you there's a bush with a heart-shaped leaf, like jagged edge.
That's the stingy bush.
That's the one you're looking for.
Just talking so casual about this stingy bush, and now talking about a wolf spider.
I think like, yeah, that's the one you're looking for. I'm not actually looking for it though.
The real kick in the ass about being in the tropics part of Queensland, summertime, when it gets so hot and humid, first thing you want to do is jump in the ocean and cool off. But that's also jellyfish season. And there's also saltwater crocodiles. So in the summertime, you can't even enjoy the water unless you have a stinger suit on. Alright, and now it's time to do the thing that you do in a rainforest.
Oh, you look
Eat ice cream. So all the flavors are grown here on their property.
Yeah.
Amazing. The strawberries, the coconuts, the jackfruit, all grown here on their farm. This is where they, I guess, speed ripen their fruits to get them ready for the ice cream. It's coconut, strawberry, jackfruit, and wattle seed for $7.50. All right, I'm down to try all 4 of those. Pretty good deal, mate.
So all of those are available, but it is... Do you want all that to yourself?
Yes, I could easily consume these.
Sorbet taster. Lemon, myrtle, mango, jackfruit, I think she said. Soursop, which is the one I really wanted. And that's the last one.
This is exactly what is required on a hot day like today. It's melting. So hot. It's not that hot today. It's like 30 degrees, but the humidity is killer. So this is wattle seed. Never heard of it before. It's really nice though. This one here, I think, is Ling and my favorite, the jackfruit one. Also know she gave us 2 spoons thinking that we'd share, but no. We don't share ice cream here.
Being a hater.
Yeah. 2 Toyotas, both hatchbacks, both Corollas. I think it's this one. No, it's that one. I was so sure it was this one. It's so nice in the shade though.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of...
The breeze as well.
At least Megan, you could come back here. You won't be too far away. You'll be in Mossman. Here you go.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are crossing the river, Huck Finns now.
That's a baby.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, it looks as
This
tall
is
as me.
the one crocodile we see, and it was a little cute baby, a little baby croc. That's okay.
And we're safe in the car on a boat.
Yeah,
That
ultimate
looks like a
cushion.
good way to end.
Yay, crocodile. Tick that off the list.
That's cool that they even told us too. Don't drop the phone. Don't drop the phone.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, not really. You can see like a part of the scales in between the fence.